Hello, and welcome to our video, which is going to be about how to get from Prague, Vaclav Havel Airport to Liberec, Fugnerova Street, quickly, cheaply, comfortably, quickly and cheaply and comfortably. Long story short, from the airport to the Liberec. It's really not good. Don't buy this. But the doppio is good, isn't it? Yes. This journey lasts about 2 hours to get to Liberec, just to Liberec. Then you need some time to get to dormitories and accommodate. So more or less, more than less, you need 2.5 hours, maybe 2 hours and 35 minutes. Yeah, that's it. So if you want a journey without problems, try to arrive to Prague in interval from 5 AM to 4 PM, because you need some time to get to the bus station, to the Liberec, to the dormitories, and then to accommodate. The 4 PM is the maximum. Overall, we have two rational ways how to get to Liberec. The first one, buses, and the second one are trains. Perfect. About the trains, they are comfortable, not so expensive, but the road from Prague to Liberec is really complicated because you have about 4 or 5 transfers. The trains are all the time delayed, so I don't recommend this option. Or the second and best option, buses. But please don't imagine some train wrecks full of people crowded, with no air, with no space, with animals on the seat. No, nothing like this. We have really comfortable, really cheap, really fast buses in Czech Republic. And quick, and fast, and quick. In these there are comfortable seats, air conditioning, tablet with movies, music and games, possibility to buy some refreshment, plus free coffee. They are borrowing headphones, there is free Wi-Fi in it. Perfetto. There are two buses companies. The first one is Student Agency and the second one is Flixbus. But we all prefer Student Agency because they offer all the bonuses I was talking about. But in case that Student Agency is full, there is the alternative, the Flixbus. But they have no bonuses, so it's just transport. Mi to moc nechutná teda. Tickets to these buses can be purchased in the place from the bus driver, but most of the seats, and more likely all of the seats, are sold online. So to ensure the seat, buy them in advance from their website. In case your plane is delayed, for example 3 hours, and you are sitting in your airport, don't panic, because these tickets can be cancelled on their website or can be changed to another buses. It's all online, so it's cool. Don't panic. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now about the journey, short and long version. Short version. Catch the bus number 100, in station Zlicin, leave and enter the metro, go to ČERNY most, find Student Agency bus, and that's it. You're here. You're here. You did it. You did it. You did it. You're the champion. Okay, and now the long step-by-step version. Let's go through the adventure! It was really complicated. And by the way, if you are planning the trip to Prague, be sure to check Honest Guide. He's really good. He's my inspiration. Czech Republic we have no signal like Wi-Fi in metro. In Taiwan they are not so advanced like Taiwan. Such a shame.
Another fact which will make you happy is that in Czech Republic students have the discount in value of 75% to all public transport, and it's pretty nice. But it's not in metro. It's not in metro. It doesn't come in metro. So all public transport except metro. Elefantově kavárně někde.
Do you know how to play it?
Here we are.
Okay, and that's it. End of journey. We are here in Liberec. This is Fugnerova, which is the center of the transportation. From this station there are buses to hearts of the dormitories. You will see it in next video. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Welcome to Czech Republic. Welcome to Liberec and Carpe TUL.